to my phone, send it to my phone. You already know, I keep it on the low. Baby, you can trust me, promise I'm alone. I won't tell a soul.
Hello, hi, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel. In this video when you see about the one app I shown in the first example, like that how we can do in this video. When you see, for that you want to install Vidlike this app, link on description, you click it and download it. Okay, we can see, first you open this app like this. The app, you have to allow your settings all. Now it will be this like now you have to select what is short or love or funny. Now I'm clicking anyone. Now in that, now I'm clicking anyone. Now I click this transparent mobile phone. In that, you have to download any. Now I'm clicking on what's, yeah, I'm selecting this one. It's 9.8. You have to download this. It's downloading. Now you can see the example. Okay, like this I have to add your photos. Now I'm clicking this one. I now click, and now you have to select. Now I'm selected my photo. You want to crop that. Now I'm cropping and click OK. And you please like this, wait. Okay, like it in your gallery it will be added. Okay, like this. In that you have many options in this application. You have many options like this. What example you want to make, you can make. Now I'm making this one. You have to export, and I'm selecting my photos. Now my photo I have cropped and it is exported here, and now clicking this next. Now my video is gonna finish. Now it's finished 50%. It is doing a video. Okay, like this it's prepared, and you can play and see. Now if you see means I'm playing and see.
I think you can imagine there are a lot of people at Apple that didn't get much sleep last night preparing for this. Is this?
But like this you have to save this. Okay, like this. Some here you can paste any URL like YouTube, TikTok, and you can download that. This is the application. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more information and examples for you.